Hello everybody, I'm back. I'm working on a little project for the wifey, a raised bed for raised garden bed. That's what you call it. Anyways, as you can see, I built these little legs. They're 30 inches tall, 18 inches wide. I made like a little H pattern. Then we got fence pickets, as you can see over here, fence pickets. And then I just laid them in here, 2 on each side, 2 down the sides, and I cut the ends, and we put a 2x4 down the center to give us a little drainage and a little more strength. This thing is pretty solid. It didn't take hardly any time to put together. It's pretty fast. I'm about into it about $100 by the time I get it all built. Now we just got to get dirt. So it's a really neat little project. I'll show you some updated videos on us completing them. We got to work on the other one now, but if you get a chance to do projects like this, it is not very hard, and you don't really have a set of plans. I didn't have plans. I just threw it together with the idea I had. So figure out how high you want it, how deep you want it, get your fence pickets, and make it happen. So get out there and do something.